Are you looking for ways to make your life easier? Ad tools are becoming increasingly popular, and for good reason. They are incredibly powerful tools that can automate various tasks and processes, making it easier to get things done faster. In this video, we'll be exploring the 5 best online ad tools that will make your life easier. From automating tasks to understanding customer sentiment, these ad tools are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. So keep watching to discover the best ad tools for making your life easier. Number 1. Simplya. Simplya is an online AI tool that helps businesses automate customer support, marketing tasks, and more. This powerful tool offers artificial intelligence-powered customer service for faster and more accurate responses. With Simplya, businesses can easily set up automated chatbots, virtual agents, and voice assistants that can answer customer questions and provide helpful information. It also provides detailed analytics, so businesses can better understand their customers' needs and preferences. Simplya also makes it easy to integrate with other popular services, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Slack. Businesses can use Simplya to automatically respond to customer queries, process orders, send notifications, and more. Number 2. Midjourney. Midjourney is an online AI tool that streamlines repetitive tasks and helps users focus on bigger picture projects. Using natural language processing, it understands user inputs and adjusts its responses accordingly. It also has a built-in AI assistant that offers helpful advice and integrates with other online tools such as Google Calendar, Trello, and Slack, saving users time and allowing them to manage multiple tasks easily. Midjourney provides analytics insights into how automated processes are performing and enables users to make adjustments for maximum efficiency. Overall, Midjourney is an efficient and effective tool for automating digital activities and streamlining workflows, making it a great option for those looking to simplify their lives. Number 3. MailChimp. MailChimp is an online AI tool that simplifies email marketing for businesses. It offers a user-friendly interface to create and send email campaigns, manage contacts, and build your contact list. MailChimp is ideal for small businesses, as it provides a free plan that allows you to send up to 12,000 emails per month. With features such as automation tools and A/B testing capabilities, MailChimp is an excellent tool for marketers to create targeted campaigns and track their performance in real time. Its insights provide valuable information that enables you to make informed decisions about better engaging with your customers. Overall, MailChimp is a great value for money and an effective email marketing platform for businesses. Number 4. Runway. Runway is an online AI tool that enables users to easily access powerful machine learning tools and create amazing visuals. It provides a suite of powerful tools to help you create, edit, and share your AI projects. With Runway, you can quickly bring your ideas to life with visual experiments and interactive applications. From generating creative visuals to analyzing data, Runway helps you explore the possibilities of AI with ease. It also provides comprehensive tutorials and resources to help you get started. Runway also has a powerful visual editor that makes it easy for you to customize your projects according to your requirements. Whether you're looking for a tool to generate creative visuals or just want to analyze data, Runway has something for everyone. Number 5. Canva. Canva is an online platform that simplifies graphic design and makes it easy to create stunning visuals quickly. It offers a variety of tools to design logos, flyers, posters, and presentations for both business and personal use. Canva provides access to over 8 million images, graphics, fonts, and templates, as well as a library of 60,000 plus free photos and illustrations. With a simple user interface, you can drag and drop elements onto the canvas or search for the perfect template for your project. Canva also offers AI tools to refine designs, such as generating layouts, removing unwanted elements, and creating GIFs and videos from static images. Overall, Canva is an excellent online AI tool for creating beautiful visuals with ease, making it an ideal option for anyone looking to design professional-looking graphics. Thanks for watching. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech updates and reviews.